Not too bad. How are you?
Hi.
Do you mind if we record? We put it on YouTube. Do you mind?
Be a star, is that what you're talking about?
You get to be, yes, you can be a YouTube star.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So this is a first to have women. This is great.
Oh,
Come on in. I'll tell you.
Well, I've
what
seen
our-
a couple on television. I haven't heard people.
Our problem is we did put a sheet upstairs.
Okay.
Oh yeah, be careful of the sheet at the top
I
of the
think I
stairs.
spoke with
Okay.
you. We had called the plumber. We had gone to Massey and put that drain out.
yes. Did you put the baking soda in there?
We did. 2 boxes.
Okay. So hopefully it's neutralized. Did it go down at all while you were on vacation?
Not really.
Not too much. I think it did a little bit, but not
Our
too much.
neighbor, both our son-in-law and neighbor tried to take some of the pipes to see if they could unclog it.
Okay.
And they think that, our one neighbor, who's an engineer, thinks there's a lot of scaling.
Is it cast iron?
I don't know. So seemingly, all right, here, if we do this, it takes, now it's going down, but it doesn't. It backs up.
Alrighty, let's test it real quick.
I cleared everything up.
How long ago did you guys remodel the bathroom?
14 years.
Did they do PVC all the way down?
I have no idea.
Well, there wouldn't be pipe scale if it's PVC.
Oh. I think he said, I think our neighbor thought there was plastic for a certain length of it.
Well, all I'm seeing is PVC going over, which means it connects to the main that's there. So, PVC doesn't give you pipe scale.
All I know is that I'm an amateur, and I tried everything I could
Yeah.
within my arsenal, but
Alrighty. And you're hard piped. So, I can go in through here. I need the small cable anyways. And that's dripping. So we need the small cable, the blue tape, and the short bucket. So what we get for a bathroom sink drain is $195.
Okay.
I can snake it right out through here and then go in and
All right.
no, you just leave it up there for now.
You can recommend it. Called you Grace, so that's great.
Alrighty, so we'll run out to the truck, we'll get what we need, we'll come back up and we'll get it all snaked out for you.
Thank you.
Okay?
be
Thank
careful
you so
now.
much.
Just
Yeah,
hold on
be
to
careful.
the-
Don't trip on that.
Yeah. Oops. I'll get everything set up if you can go grab my leather gloves for me, please.
Yeah, where'd you?
They should be in the bucket. They're in the Viking. Inside the bucket piece of the Viking.
I would love to know what is inside there, because there's a situation where, like, let's pretend it was a Wednesday.
Yep.
Everything was flowing.
Yeah.
Thursday morning after she did whatever,
Yep.
it wasn't. This was a couple of weeks. We actually spent a week up in the mountains last week, so weren't in any great hurry to do this.
Right.
And then we came back on Saturday. But I'd love to know what's inside there. How it could have got gucked up.
How was the mountains, even though it was all rainy and...
It was rainy, but not as bad as down here. Like, for example, Saturday morning was beautiful up there. And I know you guys down here did not have great weather.
No,
So,
we didn't.
but we caught up to you when we got, south of Concord and Manchester. Started to get very cloudy and spurts or two. So all in all, I'd give it about a 5-hour vacation. It wasn't all that great.
Yeah.
So where are you guys headquartered in? Is it Nashua or Hudson?
Nashua.
Nashua? Okay.
Yep.
Where are you headquartered? Where do you
You know where Elm Street Junior High is?
Elm Street. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, down by Lake Street there?
Yeah, we're down over that way.
Oh, okay. I got you.
So, I'm going to make you run back down to the truck again. I forgot the blue tape. It's up in the toolbox on the left-hand side. I'm going to need it for this plug.
This is something that I really didn't want to challenge too vigorously. So,
Oh, snaking up the drain?
I'm glad we got an expert. How long have you been doing it?
I've been doing it for the last 8 years, and my husband, the owner of the company, has been doing it for the last he's owned the company for the last 20 years. But, I think he was doing it for a different company prior.
Yeah, I mean, I called our regular plumber, Jeff.
Paul Jerry?
What? Hold up. What? What? Oh, he's on the phone. Oh, okay. I'll get him. Well, why don't you pick it up and I'll come in. Oh, jeez.
Alright, I need the GoPro down here. And I need you to take this webcam off my head because the storage card's full. And you can shut it off. You just have to hold that. Look at all this stuff in here. That's all the baking soda and Drano and stuff that they had to put in. So. Cute. Oh, the papa's not even hooked up. I don't know why it wasn't going up and down. This was just chilling like that. I was like, why is this going up and down? It's not even hooked up. So we gotta hook that up after too. Making sure I got to put that cut on that side. I like these cabinet doors too because I just have to put, there's a button thing that you push on it.
And it takes it off.
Yeah. So you don't have to like unscrew it or anything like that.
Okay, I'll leave you be. Yeah, that was never an issue, the toilet. So
Oh, I just dumped the water from the trap in there.
oh, okay.
It's right here. So, put it all the way on the towel.
Yeah.
Storage card on the head camera.
That's why we need more storage cards.
I think that's why they're in the cart to be ordered.
I was on the phone with Xavier, Aiden, and Kevin last night. So Xavier subscribed and he watched the Arby's one.
Yeah. Did anyone watch the Giggles one?
Not sure. I think he's gonna watch that one next because I told him my new nickname for my stepdad's Giggles. I said, ooh, lovely, because a giant clump or something fell out.
I hate tight quarters because I always hit my elbow off the machine.
From the lens.
Did I get a drop on it?
Yeah, there's like a giant
Turn it towards me.
loop.
I got a bloop on there.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
Clean. I like tapped on it to see the screen and there was just a giant dot and I was like, what the? I was like, did I break the camera?
Yeah, you looked at it.
Oh. That's offensive.
Don't be a snowflake.
Okay. I'm not, but okay.
Can you hold that so it doesn't fall over? I don't accidentally elbow it. Hey, Gavin, you want to say my job's still easy? Smack you with a glove. With a dirty glove. Not even a clean one. I'll have to use some cleaner.
The blue tape's okay. Or you want to test it first? Or do you want to
I'm gonna test it first. Okay. I know I'm gonna probably need blue tape, but unless this was already off and somebody tried to snake it out and they just didn't tighten it enough, but it was dripping when we got here, so that's why I wanted to grab the blue tape at the same time. Better safe than sorry. Better safe than you having to run up and out of the truck 500 times. Right? Right.
I was like, oh yeah, I just got 2 needle stabs in the ear. So they, are you popping the bubbles? Mom. It's like water. I don't think it's dripping.
Oh, now you need blue tape.
I should have enough battery to film our house, so now I can film it when we get that. No, I'm not unlocking it.
How much batteries what's in it?
13. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3.
All done?
All done.
You're kidding. Will you accept a check?
We do. You can make it right out to Drain Addict, and if you want to test it while I'm putting this stuff away and grabbing the book,
I can put it away from the couch.
huh? Another satisfied customer. Stay tuned. We'll give you more of that great content, and make sure you comment